Easter eggs and baskets downstairs.
You were the one who got all the colors of the Easter bunnies.
Awesome.
I knew it.
Sonic.
And I have 3 lime. There's 3 lime greens. Whoa! He's fast.
Oh, whoa.
This one's speedy,
Well, I hope
Nano.
you're satisfied because that's all you're getting.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
okay?
fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
Red.
Hey.
Ugh.
They can take them down there.
Whoa.
By the bag.
Holy. They're speedy. How do I get these bunny ones
Grandma,
out?
where'd you find these?
Fargo.
You went to Fargo?
With
When Grandpa had his test done?
Wow.
Hey Mommy, where's the screwdriver? I mean, not the screwdriver, the scissors. I need to cut these eggs open. Hey Grandma, next year you can use these eggs for an Easter egg hunt.
Yeah.
They're puny ones.
Grandpa, help you?